up, you guys? Welcome back for another haul. So actually, let's test out some products that was gifted to me by my friend Charlene. Shout out to my friend Charlene, and thank you so much for giving me makeups. And I'm gonna do a video trying and testing out some of these makeups. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated. So let's start. Without further ado, let's start with the hauls or try on and review. So first off, Charlene gifted me some of makeup brushes. These are the brushes. This one is from Antonym. It's number 2. This is a very nice fluffy. Ooh. I've been using this one, so yeah. This is a nice fluffy brush for powder or for what do you call this? Blush powder. I like it. Very soft and fluffy. Nice one. And I got 2 Eman blush. So this can be used powder brush and very nice because it's small. Good for a travel size brush. And I like it. So yeah. The next one is this one from Morphe G41. It's a flat shader brush. Nice and fluffy also. I like the brush. I think this can be used as a highlight brush when you do your highlight or just do eyeshadow contouring, or for contour using a cream brush. I might try this one. Yeah, nice brush from Morphe. Thank you so much, Charlene. And the next one is from Roberto Rizani. It's a nice fluffy brush too as well. This is great when you do baking for here under your eye bags, or do a highlight. Nice brush, highlights here and there, nose. So I'll definitely gonna use this for my next tutorial. And this one, I like this one. This is from BB5 Can't Stop Contouring. This is a nice fluffy brush for buffing. The next one that I'm gonna show you guys is from Botanic or Butanio Beauty. It's a Feel and Tame Brow Gel. This is how it looks like. Nice color green. I love the packaging. So this is how it looks like. This is how the applicator, very small and nice for eyebrows. So you just have to use this one to tame your eyebrows. Yeah, I like it. I'm excited to use this one. The next one that I'm gonna show you is L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Sweep and Lock Translucent Setting Powder. This is how it looks like. Look at the product. There's lots. It's a translucent one. So let me open it for you. Just be careful. So this one, I'm gonna just do a dab. Ooh, very soft and creamy. Formula, nice formula. So it's a white one, translucent, so when you apply it on your face, it will just easily blend. And there, a little goes a long way with this one. So great buy. And the next one is from NARS. It's a Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is how it looks like. I love NARS. And it's a concealer. I'm gonna swatch it for you. So I think this is my shade, especially now it's summer, so I got a little tan. So this is, wow, so creamy. Yeah, so this is the shade. I can't wait to use this one. Oh, and the next one, another blush. It's a blush and bronzer mini palette from Coastal Scents. So this is the packaging, pinks. This is the back, and this is the shade. So you have the bronzer, a deep color and the lighter one, and the highlighter and the 2 blush. So great for travel, 1 palette in all, so you don't have to bring separate highlighter or bronzer and the blush. It's all one in 1 palette. So let me swatch it for you. I'll swatch this one, bronzer one. Let's do this. It's soft and creamy, the formulation. Swatch it here. Okay, I don't know if you can see it from the camera, but it's nice. The next one doesn't have a name, but it's a bronzer. So this one is a little bit shimmery. Oh, the other one is a matte and the other one is a little bit shimmer. Yeah, I think the middle one is a highlighter, a shimmery one. Yeah, next one too. I don't know if I can show you here. There, yeah, nice and creamy formulation. Oh, I love it. I love it. I'm loving the formula. And we'll go swatch the blush. This one here. And this one. Look at. Just swatch more. So this is the little peach one. Ooh, love the color. Creamy, creamy. A little bit fall off, but I don't mind. And this one is the darker one. I love this one. I love the two blushes. They're nice. Very good for travel. 1 palette in all. You got your bronzer, highlighter, and your blush. And with the wear test, lasts very long. So I'm loving this, and I'm gonna play more of this in my future tutorials. And the next top that I'm gonna show you guys is from the Body Shop. It's a bronzer shade in golden bronze. This is how it looks like. I love Body Shop too as well. This is the palette. I mean the bronzer. I'll swatch it for you. I like the pigmentation. And another swatch from the bronzer. Ooh, I like it. It's shimmery, satin. Good quality. The next one is from Makeup Forever Ultra HD Soft Light Liquid Highlighter in this shade 50. I think this is the shade. So this is from Makeup Forever, and yeah, I'm gonna try this one. This is, I think, a good shade for me for a bronzer. Oops, like, look at the tip. It's come with the tube. I just press it and product came out. So let me grab it and let me swatch it. Where can I swatch it? Here. Look at that. It's a liquid highlighter or bronzer. Look at that. It's creamy and a good pigmentation as well. So I can't wait. I'm gonna try this as a highlighter using the brushes. And yeah, look at that. So creamy. Like, it's a cream to powder formula. Look at that. It dries up easily, but you have a time to spread it, I guess. So I can't wait to try this one. I love the formula. And it's Makeup Forever, right? So the next up, I've got 2 highlighters. This one is from Au Natural, a powder shadow in a shade 2 Pillow. So this is the shade. This is the highlighter. And look at that. It's like a ball applicator. So you just have to roll it. Let's try this one here. It's easy application actually. Ooh, lots of shimmers. Maybe you just have to drop it like that. Ooh, look at that. Lots of shimmers. Probably you can do it as a highlighter. Oops. Let's try it on. Let's just spread it using this one. Yeah, nice one. Or you can use this as a highlighter, eyebrow here. If you want a glitter. a little glitter. Let's do the other one. See, like a little dab goes a long way. Or you can use this also as an inner highlighter with the small applicator, and we'll use the blending brush to spread it. Yeah, gives you a great highlight, inner highlight. And yeah, very easy to use. I love the applicator, very easy to use and very pigmented too as well. And then the next one is from Galaxy Milk Illuminating Beauty Oil. Looks like this one, a dropper applicator. So you just have to press and release, and I think you can get the product. Let me swatch it to you guys. Where can we swatch? Maybe on the other hand. Let me drop it here, the product. Just put a little one. Look at that, just a drop. For sure this is very pigmented. Ooh, look at that. Look at the shimmer. Smells a little bit like oil. It smells like oil. That's what it says. It's oil. But look at that. You see how small a drop goes a long way, and the formula, it's creamy and soft. Oh, I love the formula. And look at that. Very shimmery. I can't wait to play with all these products. Thank you so much for this gift. And this is all for my video today, guys. I hope you like what I've shown you guys, and let me know if you also have the same products like mine. And if you do, let me know your comments, your experiences with the products. So can't wait to hear from you. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click this notification bell to keep you updated. So I'll see you on my next video and next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.